good noon guys. Today I'm gonna cook ginataang crabs with lots of tomatoes. Okay, so we need salt, soy sauce, black pepper, coconut milk, crabs, tomato, lots of tomatoes, spring onions, garlic, chilies, and then the white onions, and then butter. But unfortunately, I need also ginger. I will get it later. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna get the ginger first. Let's get started. Add the butter. And then saute the garlic. And then the onions. And then the ginger and the chili, guys. Okay. The tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes. Onions, guys. A pinch of salt. Milk. And add the coconut milk, guys. Okay, we're gonna let the coconut boil first before we add the crabs. First, okay, add this crab. At that one, guys, it's super yummy, guys. Okay, and now I'm gonna add that one there. Okay, 2 minutes, and we'll be right back with lots of tomatoes. Okay, it's done, guys. Look at that one. Oh, it's super yummy, guys. There's a lot of tomatoes. The juice of the tomatoes, it's super yummy. It's tasting time. It's perfect. Okay, it's done. That's our ginataang crabs with lots of tomatoes. It's done. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.